and welcome back to my channel. The last video we made meat pies and I'm glad to bring back another video. Today we are making bread. Now this recipe is very easy. It took me less than an hour to make, so you can definitely make this. First off, we're starting up with warm water and we're adding sugar into our bowl. The warm water was about 450 milliliters of water with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Now I'm going in with some yeast. This yeast is about a tablespoon and a half of yeast. Adding just a little bit extra. And we're going to mix that in so there are no lumps of yeast in our mixture. So you can use a spoon or a fork. I'm using a chopstick, but this is a plastic chopstick, just one of the sticks, to just mix the whole yeast in properly. This is how it should look like. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of flour into my water, mixture with the yeast, and then just using a stick to blend it all in. But you could also use your hand from the beginning. I didn't just want to get my hand all messy. That's why I'm using the stick first to mix the flour in before going in with my hand. And now that I've made sure, I've mixed the flour in enough into the water mixture, I'm going in with my hands to just knead the dough properly. As you can see now, the dough is quite tacky. So mix it in properly to make sure that there's no powdered flour in the dough. Once everything is properly mixed in well, then I'm adding some oil, just 2 tablespoons of oil, not much oil, and mix that in and knead, but not much kneading is required. And because I would like to make 2 breads out of this, I'm separating my dough into 2 halves. And then what you need to do next is oil a pan, the pan that you're going to use to bake your bread in. Oil your pan and then place the bread. You could decide to make a whole bread or separate the dough into 2 halves. So you have 2 whole breads, and that's what I'm doing. So my pan is oiled and I'm just placing the dough into the pan and then set aside to rise for about 20 to 30 minutes in a warm environment. Now here's my dough. Both have risen, and I'm going to set my oven to preheat it for about 5 minutes at 150 to 180 degrees. And once that's set and hot enough, I'm placing my my raisin dough into the oven and leaving it to bake for about 20 to 30 minutes. And once that time is up, my bread is properly browned, I can remove my bread, and that's it. This recipe is easy. When I say easy, I mean it. It's easy, less than an hour to make this bread. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.